Good afternoon, my name is Chris Wachowski. We're at the Miami International Boat Show, and I'm on the newest addition to our Realm family. This would be the 38 Realm. The previous one we introduced was a 35 Realm. A couple quick features we have up here is a nice bow table, lounging area up in the bow of the boat. Nice solid teak table. You have an integrated cooler off to the side. But one of the great things about this particular boat is it's got open air as well as great weather protection. Let me show you this great door system we put on it. For full weather protection, your helm area is all locked up and dry and protected. Then moving to the back of the boat. Here at the helm of the 380 Realm, we've got a nice double wide seat, triple displays, all action for when you're running the boat. And then if you want to sit back and entertain, you can rotate the helm seat around, flip the second row seat so that you've got nice seating here. You can set up a nice cockpit table. And then for your entertaining side of things, little pop up here, got a hidden grill, got a nice sink system. And then coming around to the back, we've got our big refrigeration system, a 264 quart cooler. Freezer coils are on the perimeter on the outside of it, so it's all chilled. Now a little tour of the cabin. If you notice, all the cabinets are all solid wood teak finish. Beautifully spacious, nice teak table that lowers down, cushions fold over to create a bed if you need it. Got full amenities with a nice little sink. You got a pull-out stainless steel refrigeration system here. Fully enclosed shower. All the shelving, storage areas you'd need. Thank you for letting me show you a few of the features on our new 380 Realm. If you'd like to see a little bit more and get a more in-depth tour of it, visit your MarineMax dealer and they can show you all the great features in this boat.